All right. So I want you all to just sit comfortably wherever you are. If you want to sit with your feet flat on the floor, that's also perfectly fine. And if you want to sit with cross leg, that's also fine. And close your eyes slowly and gently, taking few deep breaths in and out, relaxing yourself. As you're aware of your breath going in and out, your physical body is beginning to relax. Your mind has started to become quieter. Be aware of the energies around you. Slowly, you start becoming aware of the sound of silence around you. You're aware of your heartbeats. And now place your awareness down into your legs, down into your feet. Just imagine or visualize and feel like a lot of energy is coming up from the very center of Mother Earth into your feet, which is forming a beautiful ball of light in your feet. The ball of light is soothing and relaxing. And you can visualize or imagine and feel the ball of light relaxing your legs as it is traveling up into your root chakra, the base of your spine. And slowly it starts moving up through your spine from one chakra to another chakra. Your entire torso is relaxing. You can feel the ball of light at your throat chakra, relaxing your neck muscles. Your shoulders are relaxing, your arms are relaxing. And now you visualize or imagine and feel the ball of light moving up into your third eye chakra, relaxing your forehead. Your eyebrows are relaxing. Your face is relaxing. And the ball of light slowly moves up in your crown chakra on top of your head, relaxing your entire body. Now visualize or imagine yourself sitting inside this beautiful ball of light which is on top of your head. Notice the color of the ball of light that you're in. And now you're going to give yourself the permission to travel up. You're going to travel up and out in the universe. You're going to go beyond the planes of existence, and you're going to connect with the beautiful energy of Creator on the seventh plane. So in your mind, you say up, 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 and up. You allow the ball of light to lift up in the sky, going up and up through the clouds. You are passing through bright, shining stars. You see planets. You go higher up and up. There are so many bright lights in the universe. Your ball of light is passing through all these bright lights. And this is happening effortlessly. You're going up and up. Your ball of light reaches a golden light, a big, bright golden light like the sun. You're going through this golden light, which is the fifth plane of existence, the plane of all masters and deities. You still keep going up and up until your ball of light reaches a rainbow-colored, jelly-like substance. And you realize that your ball of light has started fading away. It is no longer there. Now you imagine or visualize and feel yourself going through this rainbow-colored jelly-like substance. You see different colors here, different shapes. This is the sixth plane of existence, and these are the laws of the universe. You're going through this jello higher up. As you're going higher up, you come across a beautiful pink light. And as you go through this pink light, you can feel the warmth, the energy, as this is a law of compassion. And now as you go up, you can see an opening above you, or a window, and you can see a lot of white light coming out of that window. Now with your head forward, you enter the window and you see yourself merging into this beautiful, iridescent, sparkling white light, tingly white light. Now this is the seventh plane of existence. This is the plane of creator of all that is. You don't see any forms here. It's just energy. Energy of unconditional love. This is the white healing light of creator, where anything and everything is possible with creator. You imagine or visualize and feel yourself merging into this beautiful white light, becoming as one. And there is no separation between you and the light. You can even feel a whitish glow in your body from top to bottom. Take a deep breath in and release. And now you say a small prayer in your mind. Creator of all that is, I am a part of you. I am never separate. I am never alone. I thank you for my life. I thank you for everything. Now while you are there in this beautiful light, divine light, I'm going to send unconditional love to each one of you present here on the call, and even those who will listen to this call are now going to receive the unconditional love energy of Creator, and coming with that, some beautiful downloads which will help us to be free from generational patterns and curses. You just have to receive by saying yes. As with your verbal permission only, the healing takes place. So in your mind you say yes. Yes, I am receiving this unconditional love energy of Creator and the downloads from Shweta. which are coming through Creator, from Creator through me. I'm going to download the following feelings in each one of you. I understand Creator's definition and perspective of being free from ancestral curses and generational patterns. I know what it feels like to be completely free from generational curses, patterns, and trauma. I know how to heal my generational curses and patterns. I know what it feels like to live in awareness. I'm aware of my own habits, my thought forms and patterns, behavioral tendencies, triggers, which are there in my DNA. It is possible for me to be completely free from these generational curses and patterns. I am evolving with ease through Creator on the 7th plane. I am ready to evolve. I am ready to be free. This is my divine timing, to be free from my generational curses and patterns. I can see through. I can see through myself, my own patterns, how they have been impacting my life. I now understand and acknowledge that they did serve me somewhere, but now their purpose is over. I'm so very much ready and willing to let go of all the misfortunes that these generational curses and patterns bring in terms of poverty consciousness, lack consciousness, in terms of diseases and illnesses, in terms of struggles and battle programs, in terms of deprivation of love, in terms of financial struggles and hardships, in terms of disputes and disagreements, in terms of disharmony. These are now no longer needed. I am ready to release them to the Creator's light, and I know what it feels like. I have Creator's perspective, and I know how to, when to, and how to live my daily life in harmony, in ease, in balance, loving myself. I know what are my self-sabotaging beliefs, and I know how to release them and replace them with positive programs. I know how to be aligned with my divine timing. I am free. I am aligned. So just say yes to receive these downloads in you, as I'm now going to download these in all of you who are present here on the call, and these downloads will also be relevant for those who listen to the call. These downloads are timeless. So I make a prayer to Creator now, and I ask to download these through every cell of our bodies, on all our 4 belief levels, and in every area of our lives, in every language, across all timelines, in the highest and best way. Thank you. It is done. It is done. It is done. Sending unconditional love to each one of you. Receive it with faith. Consciously accept these downloads. Believe that they are happening now. This is real. That this is your life-changing moment. Receive it without any disbelief and doubt. Allow this divine energy to fill every cell of your body, starting from your head to your toe, filling your energy field, bringing you more awareness, And now I'm going to say this prayer, which I want you all to repeat after me. You can either say loudly or in your mind. Okay? So just say this prayer. You take your full name. Okay? Call upon my spiritual mother and spiritual father in the presence of Creator's energy of unconditional love. I now declare that I revoke, renounce, denounce, cancel, and release this ancestral curse of misfortune in the form of any illnesses and diseases, financial hardships and struggles, disharmony, disputes and disagreements, deprivation of love, stuck and stagnancy, black and dark magic, lack and scarcity consciousness, any form of torture, suffering, pain, and self-harm. And I ask that the energy of this curse and trauma be resolved in all the past lifetimes of mine and my ancestors, from my DNA, from my soul and core levels, and brought to completion in the highest and best way. The purpose is now over and complete. I thank you. All my ancestors are good enough to be forgiven and free from the pain they carried. I am good enough to be forgiven, and I forgive myself for any resentment or anger I may be holding on to. I now let go of the emotional burdens that have been passed down through generations. I thank you. And as you allow me to release this, you become free from holding on to this post. Now say 3 times. You are free. You are free. You are free. And repeat 3 times. I am free. I am free. I am free. And all the ancestral spirits and other spirits attached to this energy of curse are now free and sent to Creator's light of unconditional love to be transformed. Now you say this, I set you all free. You all are free. You all are free. You all are free. This ancestral curse is now completed from me. Take your full name now. 7 generations down and 7 generations in future. Thank you. It is done. It is done. It is done. Allow the light to wash you completely and heal you from this pattern, from the ancestral curse. You don't have to do anything. The light is doing the work. The divine is doing the work for you. You just feel it in your heart, in your aura around you. Now just visualize or imagine this beautiful divine light rinsing you nicely like a shower, washing you nicely. Know that this has worked. It has happened. Thanks the Creator. Bring your awareness back to your crown, your head. Become aware of your breath, your body. Take your awareness down through your spine, into your legs, into your feet. Imagine or visualize and feel the light going down from underneath your feet into Mother Earth and anchoring your light there, grounding you completely. Once again, bring yourself back up in your feet, becoming aware of your entire body, your breath, your surroundings. Whenever you are ready, you may open your eyes slowly and gently and drink water.